We're now here in ABS-CBN compound. We're preparing for our interview with ANC Business Roadshow with Stanley. And I'm very excited to Miranda. Kinikilig, first time, but let's go ahead and let's make a difference for our malasakit. We're now here to Miranda in ABS-CBN. We're excited for our interview today and I'll see you in this video.
Tayo ka naman.
You're now in ABS-CBN.
What is your advice to millennials and even Gen Xers who are still willing to explore crypto but with risk appetites that are not as aggressive as the younger ones?
Right, that's an interesting
Into your power state comes mutation, which captures the energy of splitting atoms. But that state also causes